bururiini na niate thutha wa thirikari kugerera ruhoge rwa mathomo gukorwo ikianirira marihi kana mutaratara mweru wa marihi ma univarsiti riu arutwo matiganite kuma bururiini ni magikitie na makaruta mohoro wao iguru ria ndeto ino arutwo a univarsiti na makiria kuma kule mwena wa pokot ni maugite ati ni makorwo makigoma wona thirikari yagikorwo ndigukorwo igithikiriria kiriro kiao makiuga ati kana makiariria a nyumba cia mohoro kuma kule pokot ya ithwiro kaunti imwe na iria ni kaunti ya imwe iria ikoretwo itiganite na njira nene maugite ati namba nene ya arutwo aingi maikoretwo makiremerwo ni guthie na mbere na mathomo mao kurumirira marihi ma iguru.
I'm the Vice Chair Pokot University Student Association. So our next move as Pokot University students and comrades from other counties is that we are going on strike.
Government are forcing us to eat something that is not entering our throats. Because of this funding model, we want to know the increment of this school fees.
The funding model by the government is good, but we are worried of the uncertainty. How sure are we that the percentage, which percentage do the parents require to pay to their daughters and sons? Remember, different universities have posted different fee structures and totality.
I want to urge our leaders that as comrades, we will go on strike if we are not going to hear our voices, because these rule will not help us.
But we have seen it is quite challenging because most of these people who are beneficiaries, purported with beneficiaries, especially, they are one joining. First years don't have ID, and ID is the requirement for this application. Now the government, how will you consider this?
Nake munini wa mutongoria wa bururiini Kiriga